To process Apple Pay NFC payments, start by ensuring your business has a compatible point-of-sale terminal that supports contactless payments. This terminal should be equipped with near-field communication technology, allowing it to communicate with Apple devices. Next, check with your payment processor to confirm they support Apple Pay transactions. Most major payment processors do, but it is essential to verify this beforehand. You will also need to obtain any necessary certifications or approvals from your payment processor to accept Apple Pay payments. When a customer wants to make a payment using Apple Pay, they will typically hold their iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader on your point-of-sale terminal. The terminal will then prompt the customer to authenticate the transaction, either through Face ID, Touch ID, or their passcode, depending on their device settings. Once the customer has authenticated, the payment information will be transmitted to your point-of-sale terminal, where it will be processed like any other credit or debit card transaction. You will not receive the customer's actual credit card number, as Apple Pay uses tokenization to replace the card number with a unique device account number. It is crucial to note that you should never ask customers to provide their Apple Pay password or other sensitive information, as this is not required for the transaction and could pose a security risk. Instead, simply follow the prompts on your point-of-sale terminal to complete the transaction. To handle any issues that may arise during the payment process, make sure your staff is trained on how to troubleshoot common problems, such as a failed transaction or a customer's device not being detected by the terminal. Having a clear understanding of the Apple Pay payment process will help you provide a seamless and secure experience for your customers. In terms of best practices, ensure that your point-of-sale terminal is regularly updated with the latest software and security patches to prevent any potential vulnerabilities. You should also clearly display signage indicating that Apple Pay is accepted at your business, to inform customers of this payment option. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively process Apple Pay NFC payments and provide your customers with a convenient and secure way to make purchases at your business.